Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A54 and today I would like to show you how you can use a voice recorder on this Samsung. First of all, you need to locate voice recorder. When you find it, click on it. Now select while using the app in the pop-up. Click on Allow in the other one and tap on one of those modes, Standard or Speech to Text. When you're ready, start your recording by tapping on this red button. Then select Allow one more time. As you can see, recording is on. You can pause it or unpause it using the same middle button. If you want to add a bookmark, click on this little icon. And if you wish to end it and save it, click on this square button. Now name your recording however you want to and click on Save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you want to play it, click on it. If you want to delete it though, you need to go back, hold it, select Delete All at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to manage recording settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner next to voice recorder, hit Settings, and adjust all of them however you wish to. Like quality. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!